Hi, I'm Matisse. I'm one of the members of Group 5, and our task was to develop the LIDA 2.0 version, so a revamped version of the Leiden ICE database for astrochemistry. I think as a sort of point of reference, we can first check out the version 1.0. So the current version of the website, it looks like this. It's a bit outdated. And so our task was to revamp the whole system, both design-wise and system-wise. So we'll go through it quickly. So this is the hero section. We won't dwell much into this. The main part of the site is the database part, so where you can actually see the spectra and the optical constants that have been gathered. We have some filters on the left side. Let's say we go into one of them. We can see its spectrum. We can see the molecule viewer here on the right side. We can also download the needed files and use them later for research or exploration or a presentation to the existing paper. We have a simple about section of the team and how to cite the publications. We have some resources and also a contact form if there's any questions or information that we want to get from LIDA. So that is the sort of front-facing part of it. We also have the admin part for managing the database, so like a CRUD. So first we can sign in. We go to a dashboard, so we can edit the database. We can see some contact form logs, the documentation, some analytics of the website. So yeah, the admins can then, most importantly, make new entries. They can also open it back on the front-facing page. They can edit the data or delete it. Then let's say we go to a new entry, we can have the spectra or the optical constant type. And if we go into this, then yeah, we can set the names, the molecule names, all the needed descriptions, publications, also drop in the files for it, and manage the database nicely from here. And then, that is a quick rundown of the LIDA 2.0, LIDA 2.0 version. So we have the admin part, and then we have a revamp of the whole front-facing part of it.